This is the refreshed 2025 Ford Explorer. This is the range-topping platinum trim level from the standpoint of luxury, since there is the Explorer ST as well, which is the range-topping trim on the performance side of the house. What I'd like to do is quickly show you the interior here, because the interior colorway on this model, I find it quite interesting.
Motrolix.
Check this out. So Mojave Dusk, it has a purple color to it. It's a deep purple. Here are the seats, for example, and it is combined with silver kind of metallic accents here, along with this trim over here as well. Here is the speaker grille. I really do like the way that this pattern looks over here. Really good. And it's got some perforations to it as well. On the inside, you see the same thing. This one actually has the oversized moonroof. You can see that there. And here are the seats. So they do have this nice purple hue to them, which looks very good. So here you have more of that purple here. Here's that trim. And it continues on the passenger side of the Explorer. As you can see, the interior here has been fully refreshed with a new screen, new dash layout as well, and a new center stack as a result of the new screen and the new dash. Let me show you the rear seats here and the rear door. So you could really see the purple here. So it's black, purple, silver, and then this gray kind of insert right here. Same thing down here. I really am a big fan of the way this pattern looks. It's just beautiful. Check this out. The pattern is great. It's soft to the touch, has some nice perforations to it, looks good, feels good. Here are the backs of the front seats. There it is. And then the same thing here at the rear seats. Captain's chairs here. This is the only configuration for models with the 3-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. Let me show you the third row. There it is. Also finished in that same color. So members of the Explorer team actually tell me that the reason they ended up going with this purple-like colorway that is now known as Mojave Dusk is that they actually wanted something different than black for their dark themed colorway for the Explorer Platinum. And it's certainly not every day that you see a purple interior, but that is not to say that it is unattractive. To me, it actually looks very nice, and I'm a big fan of this interior color combination. For FordAuthority.com and the Motrolix Network, I'm Alex Luft. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Motrolix.